This is Nick Kraus. I'm founder of Saleslights. What you're going to do is come into Saleslights. You're going to enter your main details, optimizely, 12 years in business, your salesperson name, software and technology. You're able to be as descriptive as you want on the industry or any of these details, but sometimes broad gives it more creativity and flexibility. Up to you. Then we'll go into the company details. This, as you can see, is just your brief elevator pitch line. Here's your website. And then we went into the product name, Episerve Optimizely, and entered all of your product description, what the main features were, A/B testing, resonating with users, benefits, feature flagging, personalization, goes on. And you can add multiple products and then press save details. Then you come into your message formatting. Going to use a conversational style. It's really up to you how you are. Sometimes I'm more prescriptive, and we definitely recommend excluding some phrases here that are just not sales best practices. So I've already generated 250 word or 200 word email for you, and I'll show you a 250 word one, and you can choose your detail formatting, which is key in good emails. Another big power that we have of Saleslights is being able to filter by keywords on your LinkedIn leads, posts, comments, or reaction to see if they're mentioning certain keywords that are relevant to your business. So let's get started. So the first thing we would do, we have our lead list, and now let's approach Scott. So let's see if he's talking about anything that would be relevant. So we're going to pull up his posts. Here we can see all of his posts, and then here's all of Scott's comments, and you can see his replies. List goes on, as well as reactions. So all of the sales messages that we're going to generate are selling and positioning your features based off of Scott's posts, his comments, or reactions. So if Scott is posting something with all of that data, that's what it will be in context of. If he's commenting on somebody else's data, it will be commenting off of that LinkedIn lead, as well as replies. So reactions as well, and then filter by keywords. See if he's ever used anything. We could see that, yeah, it's come up and he's used GPT, e-commerce, if we ever wanted to engage on those items. And so let's go back here. And let's find something, if as a sales rep, that I would engage on that looks like good content. Okay, right here we have A/B testing. Looks like Scott is opening himself up for some conversation. Obviously, in his leadership position, someone that delivers value at a first touch and from a point A to B, this could be great content to engage on. Press generate sales message. Here we're seeing what Scott had originally posted on it, nice and organized so we can remember what he was talking about. Just take a look at how customized it is. Really nothing like it that's out there. It's in complete context of that augmented data around relevant LinkedIn data, and sounds super humanistic, which is what makes our AI so powerful. And then here we'll go to authorize email. We're going to be able to send emails from this platform, as well as sequencing. All those other email sending sequencing features you see will be included there. I look forward to talking to you soon.